If your engine feels like it is bucking like a bronco and you notice a massive cloud of smoke behind you on the freeway, you might be dealing with the code P2147. This code tells you that the fuel injector Group A circuit has a low voltage condition, which is a pretty serious situation for any modern vehicle. This happens on everything from a heavy-duty Cummins or Duramax diesel truck to a standard VW or Audi sedan. Your fuel injectors are high-precision components that replace the old carburetors because they are much more efficient at spraying the exact amount of fuel needed into the cylinders. The Group A designation refers to a specific set of injectors, and you will need to check your service manual to see if that means bank one or a specific pair of cylinders on your particular engine. When the voltage drops too low in this circuit, the engine runs lean, meaning there is way too much air and not enough fuel. This creates extreme heat that can literally melt your pistons if you do not address it immediately. You will notice your throttle response is terrible, you cannot climb steep hills, and the engine might make loud knocking noises. The most common cause is actually mechanical damage to the wiring harness because these wires are routed very close to the extreme heat of the engine block. Over time, the plastic gets brittle and the wires vibrate against metal parts until they chafe and short out. Another common issue is water or oil getting trapped in the valleys of the engine where the injectors sit, which causes the connectors to corrode and lose their connection. To troubleshoot this, you need to find the specific group of injectors and inspect the harness for any frayed sections. Use some electrical contact cleaner on the plugs to make sure they are sealing correctly and have a solid connection. You can also use a multimeter set to ohms to perform a continuity test between the injector and the engine control module. If the resistance is way too high, you have found your broken wire. Since this involves high-pressure fuel systems and complex electronics, you should head to a mechanic if you do not feel confident taking apart engine covers or testing sensitive circuits. Catching this early will save you thousands of dollars in engine repairs and keep your fuel economy from going down the drain. Take care of your injectors and they will take care of you.